I'm here to teach you how to install and use Metamask, a crypto wallet that's mostly used in every site, everywhere, everybody loves it. It's great. So, first of all, you type Metamask on your Chrome. This is an extension, so yeah, you install it. You gotta see if you gotta check, you gotta confirm if this is the right one, because there's a lot of scams out there. So you see this got the stars, it's got the users, and this is from Chrome Web Store, so it's legit. So now it's installing. Firstly, it's going to make you create the account. So create a wallet or import. Import is if you already have an older one or a Ethereum address and you want to import it with just the 12-word seed phrase. In this case, we'll just start from scratch. Create a wallet. Tells you all this stuff. I advise you to read it. I agree. Now a password. I'm just going to create an easy one just for this example. Like Chain Games Rocks. Alright. This is just the password for the Metamask, not the Ethereum address, the crypto address. Click here to reveal secret words. So this is your backup phrase for the Metamask to retrieve your address. I'm going to paste this here and move on. Asks you to confirm it. You got to put it in order. Much Chef Parrot Solid. Chef Parrot Solid. Home clog mistake fault. Home clog mistake fault. Higher account cigar skin. Higher account cigar skin. Alright. Congratulations. I advise you to read all of this, but okay. No start swapping. So you got this here. So it should appear up here, yeah? You'll have to press this little pin, so it'll always show up here. Okay, so this is your account. This is your address. You click it, and it says copied. So you go over here, and you paste. This is the address that you're going to give to anybody you want to get money from. Either tokens or Ethereum, anything in the ERC20 network, the Ethereum network. So this is the address. This is what you have to give people, or sites, or whatever. Okay, so we leave this right now. Okay, now we go here. This is your account name. This is to buy, send, etc. Your activity tab, add tokens. This is another business, like another feature. You go to like Chain Games, for example. Any other site will have this. Now what you need is the contract address for the token that you want. Now let's say you want to play games in this site, Chain Games. It's awesome, by the way, but yeah, that's not the point right now. If you press on the buy tokens, it will give you this address right here, which is the chain contract address, the address for their token, their contract. So it says right here, the contract, the decimals you have to insert, and that's about it. Now here you copy it, then you go back to your Metamask. Add token, custom token. You paste the address, and it shows up automatically chain and 18 decimals. You press next, you add the token. So now you have two. You have the standard, the Ethereum, and the chain. Now if you do some business, if you go over here and like exchange Ethereum or USD, whatever you want for chain, it will show up right here on where it says chain. Okay, so this is pretty much it. Now, how to turn fiat, dollars, euros, how to turn it into crypto. This is a little bit more tricky, not all that much. You need a bank account, first of all. You can't do it without it. So you create an account here, you register. It will probably ask you for your identification, KYC, know your customer, your identification, your address, and your account, bank account. Because this is going to send money to your bank account. You can't mess with it. Now, one thing they ask is that you, from your bank account that you are registering, to send them like, it's not even a cent. It's much less than a cent. So you have to do that transaction so they verify your account as a real account, a legitimate account. Then you'll have signed in. They will confirm your data. They'll they'll grant you the registered user status. So now let's say you want to sell Bitcoin. That's not what you want. You want to buy. How much? What do you want to buy? What do they sell? They sell XRP. All of these you see right here. Now Ethereum. Let's say you want to buy, I don't know, 100 euros. Here you can also, I thought you could use dollars here. You should. That's okay. Let's just keep it on the euros for now. So this is how much it'll give you in Ethereum. 0.196. You buy it, and it will ask you to, no, it's probably going to ask me to log in, yeah. It'll ask if you're sure, etc. You'll have your bank account registered. It will give you the transaction, and from your bank account, you're going to make a transfer for them, for the data they are going to provide you. So after like 2-3 days, I don't know how much, that depends how much the time the bank transaction is going to take. And after a few, it'll also ask you your Ethereum address, and you'll give the one right here, which is this one, okay? So after like 2-3 days, you'll have your Ethereum right here ready to go. So now having this done, you can just go here, buy tokens to play this game. By the way, this is a game where you can earn money by competing against other players. You can play the awesome Call of Duty and Super Crypto cards. A lot more incoming, Madden, Fortnite. Now imagine this, you're a player. You don't know anything about crypto. You just have to do what I told you. You create the Metamask account the way I told you. You go to either Binance and buy crypto, or to that other one, BTC Direct, that I just showed you, and you buy crypto. It'll always ask you the Ethereum address, because you're buying Ethereum. In this case, you can buy whatever you want for whatever purpose you want. In this case, it's Ethereum. You'll give them your address. You already have your bank linked to them. In this case, you'll have to create an account, etc. and give them your NIB, your bank number. I don't know what they call it right now, but it's your bank number, yeah. Then you'll just go here to buy tokens. You'll probably have like the 0.19 Ethereum, $100 of it, and you'll buy chain. So, you know that you have $100 in chain here. You can play these games from $1 to 100. Like if you play against 8 people, that's in a $100 table, if you're crazy, or a really good player, and you want to risk it, you'll bet like $100 in the $100 tables and everybody else. So that's $800. So you can earn like, if you're really good, you can earn like 500, 400 and much dollars. Okay? Just in one simple game. You can do it in crypto cards. Each race is like, I don't know, man. Depends on the laps, but like 3 minutes. You can make like $400 in 3 minutes. It's crazy. But yeah, man, that's it, basically. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Just keep in mind that this is your mnemonic 12-word phrase, and you cannot lose this. You cannot let anyone access this, because with just this little phrase right here, anybody can access your account. Anybody can just insert this and have access to all of your funds. So my advice would be put this in paper and not on your computer, okay? Because you're not going to need this unless you need to restore your account if you lose it or something like that, if you gotta format your computer. So keep this like in a vault or in a safe drawer or something like that. And yeah, that's it, guys. This is your address. This is what you're going to put on like the platform to trade fiat for crypto. That's what you're going to use, your address. Whenever you want to get into your wallet, it's going to ask you for the first password you used. Chain Games rocks. And yeah, man, that's it. Good luck. Have fun. If I can help you in any way, just let me know. Thanks, guys. Be well.